Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I would like to talk about education system. Education is the foundation of successful life. Education give us to knowledge and build our character and boost our confidence. Education help us to become a responsible citizen. A good education system teach not only academic subject but also teach honest, responsible, dedicated and kindness. Teachers play very important role because they encourage to become a successful person. Every student try to respect them and study hard and fulfill our dream. I believe that a education person I, I believe that education is a success of key. An educated person serve our country can help our place and our family.